Street, let's go!
We're going upstairs this time. We are heading to our friend's birthday dinner tonight. It's gonna be a surprise. 已經未到啊，得我哋咋 Hello! Look at that balloon.
要咩茶？
We're eating at Look UT House again, but today we're on the 3rd floor, so I think the menu is going to be a little different. Just finished exercising, did a really quick 15-minute cardio workout and some morning stretches. We're gonna go out for brunch right now and also grab some groceries.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers. Oh, this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you.
I think this is kind of a new flavor for the potato fries, and I always love the spicy flavor, so I can't wait to try it. My friend said it's really good.
A few moments later.
We are heading out to watch a concert tonight, and there's gonna be 2 Hong Kong artists, MC Chung, Zhang Tingfu, and also Tyson Yoshi. There's also gonna be another Taiwanese artist. His name is Nick Chow, and also a American rapper. His name is The Baby, which I've never heard of. Other than that, I'm really excited because I really like the other artists' song, so can't wait to watch it. I think it's gonna be a good one. I'm wearing all black in different texture. I have on a sweater over a silk dress along with a pair of square toe boots, and these are extremely comfortable to walk in. I wanted to wear something less fitted in case I want to bust out some moves, and I'm using my Chanel wallet on chain so that I can be hands-free throughout the concert. We're here, we're at the Asia World Expo.
Are you fucking ready? Let's go! 我的视线也必须沉下去。
攞其他乒乓元素出嚟啦。我愛你愛到高手全都輸給我。
Last night's concert was freaking amazing. The music, the energy, the vibe, everything was just so freaking good. They're all pretty good at performing live. The crowd was good, thank God I didn't lose my voice. And I gotta say, I haven't had such a good time like this at a concert for a very long time. Hopefully I'll be able to go to their concert again in the near future. And for those who don't know who they are, definitely check them out. Their music is pretty damn good. I'm actually not going anywhere today. Just want to put on some makeup to look a little bit more awake. Anyways, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Remember in my last vlog, I tried on the TOTEME scarf jacket and it was a little too big on me, so I didn't end up getting it. I went online and I found a size smaller, so I ended up purchasing it. It is an expensive jacket, but I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of wear out of it. Now let's unbox this. This is the TOTEME scarf jacket in the charcoal gray color. I was torn between this or the light beige color, which I tried on in my previous vlog. In the end, I went for the darker color as my first scarf jacket. I love the design of this jacket with the scarf attached to it. It's just very different. The oversized fit gives off a very relaxed feel. Definitely a statement piece in my opinion. I love the patch pockets and the cream crochet detailing on the edges. We're lining up to have dinner right now. Thank you.
한숨 속에 섞인 감정들이 mell상 마주치며 교차하며 갈피를 못 잡듯이 갈피를 못 잡.
The waiter told us to eat the scallop and the shrimp fish cake first.
또 지나가는 길 이 짧고 긴 시간 동안 면 모습이 다 낮아 있어도 목적지는 항상 같아. Maybe you can pressure that I've been living on. I can say that it's been on my mind, but I'm moving along. 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에